Good morning for all 10th class students. Now we will continue trigonometry exercise 11.3. This is very important topic. So here complementary angles. You know the definition for complementary. Complementary means if you take two angles, if their sum is 90 degrees, then these two angles are said to be called complementary angles. Now, complementary angles topic it is introduced in the trigonometry. Now, what you have to do is you have to take a plane and it should be divided into 4 quadrants. How do you know? First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. Here, angle, it will go anti-clockwise direction like this. Here it is 0 degrees, it is 90, means angle from here to here is 90. Again here to here is 90. Again 90, 90. One complete rotation, means 360 degrees. Okay. Now, what happens when angle is more than 90, means 90 plus theta, 90 minus theta, 0 plus theta, 0 minus theta, 180 plus theta, 180 minus theta, 360 plus theta, 360 minus theta. Like this, 0, 90, 180, 270, 360. Plus and minus will come. You have to write. Okay. Now I'll explain for 90. So, sine, cos, tan, cosecant, secant, cot. So here, what happens when you are writing a 90 minus theta for all? 90 minus theta. So whenever you are seeing here the angle either 90 or 270, sine will be converted into cos. Means cos again will be converted into sine. When sine is there, here 90 or 270, sine changes into what? Cos. Cos 90 is there, it changes into sine. Like sine cos is completed. Secant will be changes to cosecant. Cosecant will be changes to secant. Next, tan will be changes to cot. Cot will be changes to tan. When these changes will be occur? When the angle is 90 or 270. Here you are seeing either plus or minus. This I am not asking you to you. Here 90 or 270, sine converts into cos, secant converts into cosecant, tan converts into cot. Reciprocal also will be same. Now what happens when you are doing this, we will see it. Sine of 90 minus theta. So here you have to remember one word, all silver tea cups. All silver tea cups. If you remember this, these words are saying that all means all the trigonometry ratios are positive. Means in first quadrant, all the 6 trigonometry ratios will be positive. Next, here, this is above 90, means greater than 90 and less than 180. The angle, if you take from here to here, it is 0, it is 180. Means angle will be what? 0 to 180. But I am taking from here to here only. Means more than 90, less than 180. So more than 90, less than 180 means the angle is in which quadrant? Very good. Second quadrant. In second quadrant, silver, first letter in this is S. S means what? Sine. Sine is positive means sine's reciprocal is what? Cosecant. So sine and cosecant are positive. So remaining all will becomes what? Negative. Okay, just remember, if the angle is means this angle falls in second quadrant, then only sine and cosecant are positive. Remaining 4 trigonometric ratios you have to take it as negative. In this, 2 will be positive, 4 will be negative. Come to third quadrant. Here to here 180. Here to here is 270. Means between 180 to 270, whatever the angle is there, if that angle is there, then it falls into which quadrant? Third quadrant. In third quadrant, the word is what? T. The first letter is what? T. T means what? Tan. Tan is positive, it is saying that tan is positive. So tan's reciprocal is what? Cot. See, tan value, if I said 1 by root 3, tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Okay. So 1 by tan means cot 30, its value is reversed. But if tan 30 is positive, cot 30 is also what? Positive or not? So like that, tan positive means it's a reciprocal. 1 by root 3 is positive. Reciprocal is what? Root 3. Root 3 is also positive. Positive number if you do reciprocal, you will get positive only. So tan is positive means tan's reciprocal cot is also positive. In third quadrant, tan and cot are positive. Come to fourth quadrant. In this, the angle will be more than 270, less than 360. So 270, 280, 290 like that, up to 360. This angle will falls in fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, the word is what? Cups. In cups, the first letter is what? C. C stands for, don't take cosecant, you have to take cos. See, all silver teacups in this, S means sine, T means tan, C means cos. Fundamentally you are not taking these three. In this only. C stands for cos only. Cos is positive means cos reciprocal is what? Secant. Secant is also positive. In this, cos and secant are positive, remaining are negative. Now, why this entire you have to remember. So we have to do some problems here. That problems will be how they will give these problems. We will see it here. One problem we will see it. Sin 90 minus theta. Okay. So I am taking here this theta as 30. Sin of 90 minus 30. Sin of 90 minus 30. So here directly what I said, 90 is there, sin becomes what I said, cos. So what you have to write? Sin is there, 90 is there. You can write cos or not. So what is there in the place of theta here? 30. What is the formula for sin of 90 minus theta? Cos theta. Sin of 90 minus theta formula is what? Cos theta. Sin of 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. So sin, okay, from 90 if you subtract 30, 90 minus 30 is what? Sin 60. What is the value of cos 30? Root 3 by 2. What is the value of sin 60? Root 3 by 2. So both sin of 90 minus theta and cos theta values are equal or not? So this is what we require. Sin of 90 minus theta you can write as what? Cos theta. Next come to second formula. Cos is there, 90 is there. What I said here, reversal. So in physics or chemistry, reversible reactions will be there. Like this. Means reactants will be converted into products and products will be converted into reactants, like that. So sin will be converted as cos. Cos will be converted as what? Sin. So cos is there, 90 is there. What you have to write? Sin. 90 minus theta means which quadrant? First quadrant. In first quadrant all will be positive only or not? So plus only. So sin theta. So cos of 90 minus theta is value is what? sin theta. If you want, you can do one problem. So the problem is they will give cos of 90 minus 13. They will give cos of 90 minus 13. So from 90, if you subtract 13, how much you are getting? 77. So sin 77 value, how much it will be? Cos of 90 minus 13 value also will be same. Okay. This 13 or something, these values we can see in logarithms book will be there. Okay. In that book, other than 0, 30, 45, 60, 90, these values you can see in that one. Okay. That we will learn in higher classes. Now same. Tan is there, 90 is there. 90 tan means it becomes as cot or not? Theta. Cosecant is there, 90 is there. Secant theta. Secant is there, 90 is there. Cosecant theta. Cot is there, 90 is there. Tan theta. For 90 minus theta I written. So what you have to do? You have to write for 90 plus theta. Same like this only. How you should write for 90 plus theta? We'll see it. This, if you have any doubt, just WhatsApp to me. I'll clarify your doubts. Now we'll go for 90 plus thetas. 90 plus theta plus theta plus theta plus theta plus theta. Okay. Now come here. So here, first one will take it. 90 plus 30. See here, 90 plus 30. 90 means it is in first quadrant, plus 30 means again it went to where? Second quadrant. So sin 120, that angle, 120 angle is more than 90, less than 180. So it falls in which quadrant? Second quadrant. In second quadrant sin is what? Positive. In second quadrant sin is positive. So you have to write in answer plus 90 is there, sin is there. You can write cos 30. Sin 120 value and cos 30 value are same. So here sin of 90 plus theta means the answer is cos theta. Now go for cos of 90 plus theta. Cos of 90 plus 30. Now see here. 90 plus 30 means, as I said, that angle falls in what? Second quadrant. In second quadrant, cos is what? Negative. So first you have to write minus, and cos of 90 plus theta. 90 is there, cos is there. Sin. In place of theta what you have? 30. Here whatever angle is there you have to write same as it is. Cos of 90 plus theta is what? Minus sin theta. Why you got minus? As I said that this angle falls in second quadrant. In second quadrant, sine and its reciprocal is positive. So tan will be negative. 90 is there, tan is there, it becomes cot theta. Cosecant 90. Sine and cosecant are positive. So you will get cosecant. Cosecant 90 means secant. Secant theta. Secant and 90 is there. Minus cosecant theta minus tan theta. So in 10th class we have only for 90 minus theta and 90 plus theta. Okay. Remaining will be there in higher classes. Now this only we will see in another way. Now I am taking one right angle triangle. It is 90, ABC. This is theta. So we know that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to what? 180. What is angle B? 90. Angle A we don't know. What is angle C? Theta. Is equal to how much? 180. Make angle A as a subject. 180, okay. Plus 90 is going to that side. Minus 90. Plus theta is going to that side. Minus theta. From 180, if you subtract 90, you are getting 90. 90 minus theta. What is angle A here? 90 minus theta. See, if it is 90, if it is theta, this angle becomes what? 90 minus theta. Now, sine of 90 minus theta, sine of this angle. I said definitions. Sine definition is length of side opposite to this angle divided by length of hypotenuse. What it is here? BC by AC. Isn't it? Next, cos of 90 minus theta. Cos of 90 minus theta. Cos theta formula is what? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. AB by AC. Tan of 90 minus theta. Opposite by adjacent. BC by AC. Okay. Next, remaining sin cos tan you know. So, cosecant of 90 minus theta. Next, secant of 90 minus theta. Next, cot of 90 minus theta. Cosecant of 90 minus theta is reciprocal of this one. So, it becomes AC by BC. It is AC by AB. This is AC by tan means AC it won't come. Okay, very good. BC by AB will come. Now it is AB by BC. You got this one. Now what I should do is, using 90 minus theta you written 6 trigonometric ratios or not? So using this angle theta, all the 6 trigonometric ratios you have to write it now. Same triangle, here we took angle 90 minus theta. For this opposite side, for this adjacent side, for this hypotenuse we took theta. Now take theta, sin theta. What is the formula? Length of side opposite to angle theta. What side is there opposite to angle theta? AB. So here AB by, what is hypotenuse here? AC. Sin theta is equal to what you got? AB by AC. Cos theta, formula is what? Length of side adjacent to angle theta by hypotenuse. BC by AC. What is tan theta? Tan theta opposite side by adjacent side. AB by BC. Now come here. Here sin of 90 minus theta is equal to BC by AC, got it. In this triangle only, BC by AC means what you can write here. In place of BC by AC, what is there here? Cos theta. So in place of BC by AC, what I can write? Cos theta or not? Just now I said one formula, sin of 90 plus theta is equal to cos theta. Okay. Sin of 90 minus theta also, cos theta I said already for you. Because 90 is there, sin is there, I said to convert into cos, minus theta, all are positive. So sin 90 minus theta formula is cos theta. Now AB by AC. What is AB by AC here? Sin theta. For the same problem, it is only AB, it is only AC. AB by AC, you can write it as sin theta. Cos of 90 minus theta formula is what? Sin theta. Next, tan of 90 minus theta. It is BC by AB. BC by AB is reciprocal of tan theta, means cot theta. Tan of 90 minus theta becomes what? Cot theta. I wrote here 3 only. You should write these reciprocals. AB by AC you written. AC by AB if you written cosecant theta. AC by BC if you written secant theta. BC by AB if you written cot theta. So BC by AB is there here. Means it is cot theta. Tan of 90 minus theta is what? Cot theta. Like that its proofs will be there. Okay. So you have to practice more number of times. Then this entire is basics for this exercise. So this exercise is very easy. Maximum with this knowledge you can do these all problems with your own. Okay, I will say just only one problem for you in 11.3. Okay, how these problems will be there, just we'll discuss. In 11.3, okay, what they given will say it, tan 36 they given divided by cot 54 given. See, up to now, up to 11.3, this angle we know the values only for 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. But other than that angles you have here. What you have to do is first this angle and this angle. If you add, are you getting 90 or not? 36 plus 54. If you add, you should not do actual addition, but you will come to know that this problem belongs to exercise 11.3 complementary angles. Okay, 36 plus 54 is 90 only. What you have to do is, among tan 36 and cot 54, you should select any one, either top or bottom, only one you have to select it. So, I am selecting top, tan 36 I am taking it. So here, tan theta, formula is cot of 90 minus theta. Like this one problem just now, one formula I said to you. Tan theta, how you can write? Cot of 90 minus theta. So here same, tan theta is there. I am writing like a cot of 90 minus, in place of theta, what is there here? See, here theta is there, here theta came. Here tan 36 is there. I had to write cot of 90 minus, what I should write here? Theta means 36. Here also what I had to write? 36 only. 36. I am not changing the denominator. Denominator I took as it is. So I said in this two take any one and convert that one. From 90 if you subtract 36 you are getting cot 54 only. It is also cot 54. Cot 54 will be cancelled. The answer is 1. So what you should do is, you should select any one and you have to change by using this formula and you have to do simplifications, then you will get the answer. Okay. So today it will be enough.